Sure, and kaya nga, nananawagan ako, VP Sara, dahil ako supporter mo, kumuha ka na ng certificate of sanity from a
Oh my God!
from a psychiatrist para to be the end all and the be all and the end all that will end the debate kung may side siya wala, because Miriam Santiago had to get that too. Why not? Why not?
Kailangan yun eh. Because
because people are saying
people are
luka-luka.
expected to be sane until they are proven insane, not the other way around.
That for me, I will get that because I am sure she is not insane. So I am sure she can get the certificate.
But did you know Miriam Defensor Santiago obtained a certificate of
Yes.
sanity? Do you know? Now you know. She did. She admitted it. She admitted it. And pinapresent niya yan sa mga law students niya noon. Sino dito ang may certificate of sanity? No one. Ako, meron.
Oh, di ba? Because it's always an issue for the people against Sara Duterte na luka-luka, baliw, and whatnot. So the best way is really to get a certificate that I'm not baliw, luka-luka. I am sane and I am... Kasi mental capacity is important to run for president.
Tanong ko sa dalawa.
Yes, pero ako kasi ang concern ko for you, Kong Kiko, lahat ng mga ibabato mo, ibabalik sa family mo. Lahat ng binabato mo, babalik sa family mo.
I mean, that's fine.
Then you admit that your family,
If I'm
your
corrupt,
political
then I
dynasty.
deserve to be in prison as well. But I'm going down with everyone else in the
Sabi
National
mo kay
Unity
Jessica
Party.
Soho, tinanong ka ni Jessica Soho, malinis ka ba, Kong Kiko? Ang sabi mo,
We
wala
will
pa akong
see.
kaso. Hindi, sabi mo, wala pa akong kaso. A true innocent person would have said, yes, malinis ako. Ako, tanong mo ko, Attorney Clint, sa barangay, malinis ba ako? Yes! Wala kaming SOP doon.
Yes, but like everyone you ask, kung tatanungin mo si
So,
Martin
malinis
Romualdez,
ka ba? No, malinis ka
tatanungin mo
ba?
si Martin Romualdez kung malinis siya, anong sasabihin niya? Yes, but we all know he's not clean.
No, but your
We all
answer is
know
different.
He's corrupt.
But your answer is different eh. Kay Jessica Soho, you didn't deny. You didn't say malinis ka. I'm asking you again now, malinis ka ba?
We will see.
Nung counselor ka? Nung bukal ka? At ngayong congressman ka, malinis ka ba?
We will see regarding that because clean and perfectly legal are both completely separate things. There are people who can act within the bounds of the law that can also be at the same time corrupt. And there are people who are good.
So you mean,
can be
so you
imprisoned
mean
for-
you accept money but legally, parang Marcoleta?
I'm not saying that.
No, sinasabi mo hindi ka nagnakaw. Nagnakaw ka, yes or no?
If we look at
Magnanakaw ka, yes or no?
if we look at South Africa in the apartheid regime that Nelson Mandela was against, he was imprisoned for 27 years regarding that, right? So
It's a simple
from that
question for me.
perspective,
May SOP ka ba? Or nagnakaw ka nung counselor ka ng DASMA?
From that perspective,
Ngayon congressman ka, magnanakaw ka o hindi?
from that perspective, the law can be applied to good people where they can be guilty even though they are innocent. And at the same aspect, innocent people can be, guilty people can be claimed as innocent. Like, for example, Martin Romualdez, he was responsible for the flood control issues, yet there's no case
That's a
against him.
complicated answer for a very simple question. Naging magnanakaw ka ba ever?
Asking someone whether or not they have stolen is not a simple question because stealing and theft in politics is already a very
It's
complicated
a simple
aspect.
question.